Hey guys, it is X-Ray Mods once again. This film is brought to you by the iPod 5th generation. I will be using it for this video. Today we're going to be shooting my Glock 23 airsoft pistol at this really lame dinosaur thing. And also at a cheap pair of safety glasses. Alright, so I am going to be using 0.2 gram match BBs by Echo One. This is a very nice company, highly polished BBs. Alright, so I say that we just go ahead and shoot this gun. Like I said, again, this is in my iPod. Alright, so first we're going to shoot at the dinosaur. And my aim might be a little off because it's hard to look through a camera, but I'll try as hard as I can. Alright. Oh god, having a ricochet. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm embedding my BBs inside. And keep in mind it is cold, so it doesn't have its peak performance right now. But, you know, we can do what we can. Alright, seems as if I did not have enough green gas. Sorry about that, but you know what? I do have another magazine, and it turns out it was out of ammo, so that's 1 plus. Alright, so now get one of our another 22 round KJW mags. So, alright. Well, YouTube, now I'm going to be shooting like 5 more times at it, and then I'll move on to the safety glasses. Alright. Alright. Wow. It just didn't do what I thought it did. No, I thought it cleared the body, but here, I just want to do one more, like right up against it. But alright. Alright. Now, I think that's enough. Let's shoot some at the nice goggles. Let's see if this will protect you guys. Alright. Let's go pick that back up. I am going to shoot at point blank. Wow, they actually kept up pretty well. Alright, and please make sure to leave down in the comments what your opinion is about this video quality. I'm pretty sure it's better than most HD cameras, unless you really spend a lot of money. So just leave a comment saying how do you like the quality. And I think I'm going to start using it more often. This really nice iPod. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot some more times. Point blank. Alright. Well, we're out of ammo. And we did pretty good damage to the little dinosaur. But, you're probably thinking right now it's like, you know, not that powerful, but let's just take a look. Let's get this to focus. There you go. Look at that. Alright. Well, let me get it to refocus. Alright. So, this is made out of pure rubber, so you shouldn't expect any gun to break through that. Well, you know, to completely penetrate 3 inches Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Tell me if you guys like these little things I'm doing with my Glock. I don't have any other gun really, and this is like, I like it a lot. So, basically, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already seen my review and aesthetic overview on the Glock, I really reckon you check it out. Wow, what a stupid word, reckon. I recommend that you check it out. So yeah, thank you guys one more time for watching this video, and make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.